Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the brand new video on this channel. My name is Brian, your host, back in the money trench. So today I'm going to teach y'all how to make some bands on your phone. Back at it again with the apps you already know. I'm going to be teaching y'all six new apps on how to make money online with your phone. Nothing but your phone. All you guys need is an iPhone or a Samsung. Both of these might have the apps there. I try to only choose iPhone because usually I use my iPhone for everything and I don't have a Samsung. So if you guys want to know more about like Samsung also and stuff, please let me know in the comments below so that I can teach you guys some about that as well. But without further ado, let's begin this video. Alright guys, so starting with number 6, we have Knife Dash Master. This is one of the best apps out there right now for making some quick cash in your PayPal, and it's honestly pretty good. It has a 4.7 rating overall, and it's been out in the store for a while now, so I think a lot of people might have this, this app downloaded already. So I know that this app is pretty good. It's pretty old already. It's not that new, but it's not, it's not that old either. So there's a lot of people that might not know about this app. So you're welcome, guys. This is an app you can just download and make some quick cash. Coming in number 5, we have Honey Game. Make money online. That's literally the name of this app. Make money online. That's literally the name of the whole app. All you guys have to do is make money. I'm just kidding. All you guys have to do is literally download this app, put it on your phone, or put it on your computer, PC, desktop. The more things you have connected to it, the better, because the more they're gonna pay you. All you guys have to do is have them connected to the Wi-Fi, have them running, and it's gonna do the job for you. It's just gonna start mining. It's gonna start looking for money or whatever. I don't know how they really do this. I just know that you make money by connecting to the internet, because I think they use your data or something like that. They use like your router to get information. I don't know what they really do with it. I just know you make money online, which is one of the things that you guys want to know, right? So this, you guys can get $1 for every 10 gigabytes shared. So it's literally like, let's say you leave it around for the whole month, right? And in the whole month you've shared around 100 gigabytes, you're gonna make $100. So that's pretty good. Not gonna lie, guys. If you guys want to know more about this app, it's in the you guys can just download it. It's called Honey Game. Coming in number 4, we have Feature Points. This is one of the apps that has been around for the longest now, and it's the best app for me. It's one of the best apps for me because I use this app a lot. I used to use it a lot for when I was playing Black Ops and Call of Duty back in the day. I used to love this app so much because they have these. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're little gift cards that they give you, not just for PayPal, but also for Nike, for eBay, for Bitcoin now, for Best Buy, Walmart, Xbox Live, PlayStation Store, Steam Games, Amazon. There's a lot of gift cards here. Even the Gap ones, there's like literally just to go shop, in a store and stuff. There's a lot of freaking things here. So if you guys want to download this app, it's called Feature Points. It's one of the best recommended out there right now. So it's out, guys, and it's making a lot of people money. So if you guys want to know how to make money, just download this app real quick. So coming in at number 3, you have Surveys on the Go, guys. This is one of the best apps out there for making money while you're on the go, while you just have your phone and you have nothing else. You're just going out there, out to the store or whatever. You're just going out to, in a long trip or in a long vacation or whatever. You want to take some surveys. You want to make some money. This is where you can go. This is where you can go. Surveys on the Go. It's easy to earn cash here because the apps or the surveys are really simple. All you guys have to do is just click buttons, and literally that's it. They're gonna pay you money for that. Once you get up to $5, I think you guys will be able to cash out, and that's pretty good. I mean, what else can you guys want, right? Alrighty, guys. So coming in at number 2, we have Ibotta. This is one of the apps that I have. It's been a while since I've actually seen this app from many people, but it's an app that has 1 million ratings, guys, and it has 4.8 stars. So this means that this app is really good. So this is what this cash based app does. This cash based app doesn't give you money, but they give you money back, which means that every time you shop online, or every time you're gonna do a payment or whatever on Walmart, Best Buy, wherever you're gonna go to shop, you guys can just open your app, Ibotta, click it, just start looking for whatever you're gonna buy, and you're gonna buy it either way, right? So you just buy it and you're gonna get cash back for that. You're gonna get some money in return every time you buy something. So it's pretty good because you guys don't have to spend the whole money, just to, you guys won't have to spend all that money just to get whatever you're gonna get, and you're gonna get like a little discount plus some money in return. So that's good. Field Agent. This is one of the best apps out there right now, guys, because this app has been, you know, one of the most used ones from my part. So when I was like 15, 16, I used to always use this app and go to stores around me because I used to go all the way to the freaking Walmart and just be there, open my Field App Agent or my Field Agent app, whatever you guys want to call it. I would just open it up and it would send me to different stores. I had my little card. I had like 16, 15 at the time, like I said. I'm 17 right now, so yeah. I had my little car and I would just drive around. I would be, looking for things. I was doing DoorDash at the same time. And I was just making some quick money, I was making like 20 bucks a day on this. It's pretty good if you guys know how to use it. It's pretty good, guys. Alrighty, guys, so now that you guys have seen the 6 apps that make you some quick money online and that pay you straight to PayPal, guys, I want you guys to leave a like and I want you guys to leave me a comment saying what you guys want to see next. What you guys want to, what new things do you guys want to see? Do you want to see more about apps, or do you want to see more about just websites and places where you can get money from? Because apps, there's a lot of apps out there to make money, but most of them don't work. There's a lot that don't work. There's a lot that do work, but take a long time to cash out. And, there's websites that like pay you $10 every day just for making a little test, or like there's websites that can pay you a lot more money by doing some quick stuff. So if you guys want to know more about that, please leave a like and comment down below if you guys want to learn more about those, not just apps in general. But if you guys want to keep knowing about apps, I'm gonna keep bringing those videos back to you guys. So if you guys are enjoying these videos and stuff, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and also make sure you guys share this video to your friends so that they can make some quick money as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Brian. I'm out. Bye bye.